Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could speed up or fast start up the Windows 11. So when you start your Windows 11, you realize that's a little bit slow. So this video, I will show you how you can speed up start up or how you can make it faster. First of all, click on your keyboard on the Windows sign or just click on this little start button here. Next step, type Control Panel in the search tab. Click on the window of Control Panel or the icon of it. You might have different view, small icons or large icons, so make sure to change the category. Next step, under the category System and Security, you must click. Select the fourth option, Power Options. On the left menu, select the second option or the so-called choose what the power button does. Next step, click Change settings that are currently unavailable. And then select Turn on Fast Startup and click Save Changes. On the next restart or the turning on of your Windows, you will realize that it has boosted its speed or it has improved in terms of startup. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video.